let me show you how to use Jio Hotstar on your mobile. If you're trying to watch movies or TV shows from the platform of Jio Hotstar using your mobile phone, there are two things that you can do. Either you will need to download the application of Jio Hotstar by heading over to the Play Store or the App Store, or you can also use the web browser. By using a web browser, you will need to visit its website. If you search for Jio Hotstar, you can see the website of Jio Hotstar on the first. You can just tap on this website and then log into your account. But for the most part, if you're using a mobile phone, it would be easier if you use the app. So make sure you download this application on your phone. And once the app has been downloaded, you can just tap open the app. If this is your first time opening up the app, you just need to tap on continue on the bottom and you'll see the section called login. If you don't see it, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, tap on the login button, and then you'll have a section of adding in your phone number. If you don't yet have an account of Jio Hotstar, make sure you type in your phone number. This way a OTP will be sent to your phone number, which you just need to enter in, and your account will be successfully created. In order for you to log in as well, it's going to be the same process as creating an account. You just need to type in the OTP that has been sent to your phone number. So that's exactly how you use Jio Hotstar on your mobile. If this guide video was helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.